Replace when apps used by billions of people worldwide blinked out, lives were disrupted, businesses were cut off from customers, and some Facebook employees were locked out of their offices. What really happened on that day? Facebook's apps, which include Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger and Oculus, began displaying error messages around 11:40 a.m. Eastern Time. Within minutes, Facebook had disappeared from the internet. The outage lasted over 5 hours, before some apps slowly flickered back to life, though the company cautioned the services would take time to stabilize. Even so, the impact was far-reaching and severe. Facebook has built itself into a linchpin platform with messaging, live streaming, virtual reality and many other digital services. In some countries, like Myanmar and India, Facebook is synonymous with the internet. More than 3.5 billion people around the world use Facebook, Instagram, Messenger and WhatsApp to communicate with friends and family, distribute political messaging, and expand their businesses through advertising and outreach. The disruption was due to faulty configuration changes made to Facebook's routers, the company said, but researchers have pinpointed the reason to the issues with something called a Border Gateway Protocol or BGP. The Internet is a network of massive networks known as autonomous systems. The BGP is used to route information from within these massive networks to the rest of the Internet. It is essentially a way for these systems to exchange routing information between each other. Many found themselves cut off from family and friends they interact with over the various services, while small businesses which use social media to connect with customers were faced with the prospect of an unexpected financial hit. According to the business website Fortune, it also cost Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg an estimated $6 billion, £4.4 billion, at one point as shares plummeted. It was difficult for workers to diagnose and solve the problem since all of Facebook's internal systems operate from the same place. Facebook employees were reportedly unable to access their internal communication network, Workplace, owing to the outage affecting the security pass system. Finally, Facebook was able to revert whatever configuration got it into this by doing a manual reset of their California server, and it took approximately 6 hours to get their system back up online with few $1 million loss. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.